Hey guys, good day. Welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I want to carry you guys along on my daily routine. So this is the food that I'm going to be giving my children today. So I'm having here chicken, potato. So this chicken is frozen though, so I'm just trying to add hot water to defrost it, so I'll set it aside now. So I'll start peeling the potatoes and carrots. So I want to show you guys how my daily life looks like being a mom of four, so this is what I'm going to be feeding my family with today, my children, because mostly this food is for children, because me, I don't like eating it, so I eat it though, but not often, so that's it guys, stay tuned. At this point I'm slicing the carrot. So I want to quickly do it so that I can do some other things, stay tuned guys. Watch me cooking guys. So that's it.
Never stood up, never got in your way. Never talked back, never thought that I would change. Didn't know how to be strong. I was barely hanging on, thinking if there's a light inside, why can't I turn it on? Kept it all in till it cracked under your weight. Promised myself I would end it, no debate. And I know it's hard to take, but I just can't stay the same. I'm tired of letting you in this game. So do your worst, baby, I won't break. I've been doing better, yeah, I'll be alright. Go ahead, do your worst, baby, I won't break. I've been doing better, yeah, I'll be alright.
So guys, at this point I want to add garlic, so it's powder one. So now it's time to add the ginger. It's also powder, so the next thing is to add the paprika powder also, and it's normal chili paprika, chili pepper, I don't know. So the other one now that I'm adding, this one you are seeing here, is curry powder, so I just want to, it's time to stir everything together. So I'm going to be using half of this Maggi cube to cook it, also add a bit of salt because my salt is almost finished, because my children don't eat a lot of salt, so that's why I just add a bit of it, so it's time to add the chili pepper. I'm going to be adding a bit of chili pepper because it's children food now. They don't need a lot of pepper. And this one here you are saying is bell pepper, paprika. So I'm going to be adding half of it, so yellow half, green half, and red half. So I finished slicing, so it's time to add in the paprika, so that's it. So I'm adding in the paprika,
Kept it all in till it cracked under your weight. Promised myself I would end it, no debate. And I know it's hard to take, but I just can't stay the same. I'm tired of letting you in this game.
So guys, I forgot to add onions. This one just remember me. So I'm going to be adding this one you are seeing here. We'll leave it for like how many minutes? You give me the other onions and throw away those onions back. Nine. I want to use it for now. Need to be dishing it now. This is how we like it because the carrot just soft, it dissolves. Yeah. Okay, let me start with you. No, leave the first piece of because you have to. It's hot. How many chicken do you want? Okay, leave it. I can't eat meat. She don't like meat.
Then I can get hers. Let me check on the
Where is the fossa plate? Because fossa will come too. Carry your ball and take it back. Take your ball. This one is for fossa. So guys, thank you for watching. Our soup, our food is ready, you know. Our baby food is ready. My children food, not baby food. So